is crazy. Thank you guys so much for coming. I can't imagine what expect this many people to turn up. So thank you for all the support. Thank you for coming. Hopefully you guys can see me. There's some people that are around the back. So you should hear it. Okay, so if you know this next song, please sing